guys, it's me Sunishi. Welcome back to my channel. And this, as you might have read by the title, it's a Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul video. I did get crazy and got a lot of stuff. And yeah, I mean, I did end up spending a lot, but also saving a lot of money. And I did get a lot of freebies, so I'm very excited. My sister already did like the unboxing of it. I saw it via like video call when I was in my office, so I was very curious to open everything and start using everything just to try a test. But I thought, Sunishi, nahi, let's make a haul video out of it because I enjoy making hauls and you guys loved my cult haul a lot, so I thought we can do this again. And I hope that you have like a snack with you or a drink or something, because this is going to be a very long video. So without taking much of your time, let's get straight into the video. In completely random fashion, I have the first thing for you, which is the AHA7 Whitehead Power Liquid from Cosrx. This is how it looks, and I got this because I surprisingly have a little bit of whitehead यहाँ पे मेरे chin पे and very little on my nose, and my sister also has whiteheads, so we thought that I thought that it's very good that I invest in this because Cosrx is a very popular brand with me. You might have seen it in my cult vlog. मैं उसका snail mucin religiously order करती हूँ. I am on my 4th bottle, like it's also in this haul. तो मैं उसके already बहुत सारे मतलब bottles में go and grow कर रही हूँ, and it actually does wonders for my skin. तो मुझे लगा कि we can invest in another Cosrx product because it is a good brand, right? Next thing that I have is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 3-second setting mist. It says, it claims that it is 36-hour no transfer, and this is how it looks. And trust me, मैंने बहुत मतलब desperately इसे order किया है. I have been trying to get my hands on this since the last 1.5 months, but for some reason ये मैं जहाँ रहती हूँ वहाँ डिलीवरी नहीं हो रहा था, ना मिंत्रा से ना अमेजोन से, और फिर जो फाइनली होने लग गया तो बहुत लेट हो गया था. And I wanted to get this because we had our sister's wedding and I've heard such great things about it, and I'm a big setting spray girly. Like I try to use it to blend my makeup, I try to obviously to stay my for the stay of it, but मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था ये. So I'm very happy that I got from Nykaa, and also Nykaa delivered everything like the next day. And if you know me, मेरे लिए ना अब it's where it's cheaper, like the stuff, and where it comes faster. So Nykaa really did surprise me on that as well. It was affordable, but also that. Again, see, the other thing that I have is this Swiss Beauty matte lip liner in the shade Dark Chocolate 12. So I already, this is how it looks. I already own this. मैंने ये एक और मंगवाया है because I usually like to line my lipstick with a darker, line my lips with a darker shade and then apply lipstick. तो मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है, तो मैंने एक और मंगा लिया ऐसे. It's very cheap and nice. Then I have my trusty Ordinary का niacinamide. It's the niacinamide 10% zinc 1% formula, and I really love it. और मैंने Ordinary से एक और चीज़ मंगाई है, which is the AHA BHA peeling solution, 30% AHA and 2% BHA. These two products are my holy grail. अब ठंड आ रही है, now it's the time that I have to give my skin much more love than like I already do in summers. Thand is like not the sweetest time for dry skin girlies. तो मैंने niacinamide वापस मंगवा लिया है. Niacinamide was something that I've used religiously using पहले, and it has done wonders for my skin. Ordinary as a brand I love, and I don't think I do rave enough about how good the brand is. And AHA and BHA solution is a staple in my skincare. मैं कुछ लगाऊँ ना लगाऊँ, once in a week AHA BHA I do apply, because there was a time when I had a lot of flaring of acne because of my hormonal issues. तो बहुत problem हो रहा था, and that time only one product I used was the AHA BHA peeling solution, and it took away my acne scars, it took away my acne and everything. तो मैं मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है in general and I do recommend it, but use it wisely. You can read it on the internet, you can read it on the website how to use it. There are so many videos. Do let me know if you want me to make a video about it and I will do it for you. But yeah, that's it. Then I got the Swiss Beauty Matte Blur Balm Prep Plus Prime. It's an oil-free look for up to 12 hours. So this is how it looks. This is basically a primer of sorts and let me just open it. ये कुछ compact जैसा दिखता है. Oh, very nice. It comes like a compact also. तो इसमें हमें ऐसा एक applicator मिलेगा. I just think you just have to press it and apply it. The reason that इसमें mirror भी है. So the reason that I got this is because I like my base to be extremely poreless, and मैं अभी I think I don't remember the brand. I think it's Face Shop का मैं वो यूज़ करती हूँ primer and it's so blurring. It's really nice. I also wanted to get an affordable version of it, so I got this because I heard like really good things for me. My sister has oily skin, so उस पे भी ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा because you know it takes away the oil and everything. So then I got the Dove Intense Repair Ceramide conditioner. It's a very big bottle. This is because I love this conditioner. So when I was at my sister's wedding, we forgot conditioner. तो हमने वहाँ पे Blinkit से मंगाया and बिना ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाए I ordered this Dove का conditioner. It was so nice. I had to get myself like a bigger bottle because I eat conditioner. My hair eats conditioner. I do use a lot of conditioner because I have colored hair and also because I travel a lot. Then I got the Klairs Supple Preparation facial toner and this is how it looks like. I have already been using it. मतलब मैंने ना इसको यूज़ करना शुरू कर दिया था क्योंकि नायका का कुछ सामान एक दिन पहले आया, कुछ सामान एक दिन बाद आया, तो मैंने इसको यूज़ करना शुरू कर दिया था I think around 1-2 दिन पहले. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's very water like. If you want I can show you. It's very water like consistency, अगर आपको दिख रहा होगा, and you just rub it in. It's a toner and it's supposed to be very good for your skin and help you with blemishes, and it also has very active ingredients जैसे niacinamide and all of those things. It helps you balance your pH level. Deep moisturizing के लिए भी अच्छा है, vegan friendly भी है. It cleanses and soothes your skin and it smells nice. मतलब इसमें कोई fragrance नहीं है, but it smells nice if that makes any sense in your head, right? Then I got the Maybelline Matte Ink Superstay Ink. This is the new shade. It's called Renegade 515 and this is how it looks like. Honestly speaking, this is a bit orangey on me and I'm not like the greatest fan of it, but this is why I have you know like lip liners which are darker. इसका combination फिर बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. Then it looks a more like brownish nude in me. Because people don't know, but I color my hair myself. All of the colors that I've ever done on my hair, which is majorly browns, burgundy and red, was something that I did myself. तो मैंने ये मंगाया है Garnier Hair Color Naturals में से highlighter. This is called this is basically no bleach, no ammonia, and it is supposed to help you color your hair. And this is basically एक L'Oreal का आता था highlighters वाला, ठीक है. So इसमें ना they give you like a brush. I'll just show you. Wait. They give you a brush and basically you make the concoction of the hair color and then you use that brush and you can get highlights, or you can like if you don't want those highlights you can naturally use it जैसा आप करते होंगे. तो इसमें ये देखो ये कलरेंट ट्यूब आया है एंड देन दे गिव यू ये डेवलपर. वेरी नाइस पैकेजिंग आई मस्ट से. येलो एंड दिस इज़ द ब्रश दैट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट बिकॉज मैंने ये सिमिलर ऐसा लॉरियल से यूज़ किया हुआ है बहुत पहले. लाइक द फर्स्ट टाइम आई कलर्ड माई हेयर वाज विद लॉरियल हाईलाइटिंग किट बिकॉज आई सॉ द वीडियो ऑफ मृदुल शर्मा विच शी इज़ अ वेरी नाइस यूट्यूबर. वो भी पहले अपने वाले से DIY कलर करती थी तो उसको देख के so ये ब्रश आता है and what you do is you take the color, you make a concoction और आप ऐसे ऐसे उसमें स्ट्रेन कर सकते हैं। तो इससे क्या होता है, इफ़ यू हैव रियली रियली डार्क हेयर, दिस गिव्स यू द रेचल ग्रीन हेयर। ठीक है, मतलब आपको पता है, मतलब हाईलाइट्स है भी और नहीं भी, एंड इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी नाइस। मतलब वो ऑटोमेटिकली बहुत ब्लेंड हो जाएगा, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा। एंड ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बैक ऑफ योर हेड, क्योंकि पीछे अगर लाइक इफ़ यू वांटेड टू बी लाइटर, इफ़ यू वांट योर फेसर टू बी लाइक फेस के आगे फेस फ्रेमिंग आपको लाइट चाहिए, तो आप वहाँ से शुरू करें, बिकॉज वो प्रोसेस में भी 10-15 मिनट लगते हैं। एंड इफ यू कीप इट फॉर हाफ एन आवर मोर, सो जस्ट इमेजिन योर इंटायर हेयर विल बी हाफ एन आवर, बट दैट वन सेक्शन दैट यू स्टार्टेड अप विद विल बी 45 मिनट्स, एंड थोड़ा ब्लेंडर हो सकता है फिर। ठीक है, सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. The next thing that I got is actually a restock. So I use this micellar water, and ये almost end पे आ गया था. So I thought to get a micellar water for myself. This is the Garnier micellar water all in one, and this is a cult favorite. I don't think I need to rave much about it. So because I got myself the conditioner, I also thought it's fair enough that I get the shampoo as well, and this is like the 1 liter version of it. It also has Ceramides Biocare. ये इसी का मतलब ये ऐसा सेट है, and ये मुझे पूरा सेट मतलब this is originally for 1700 and this is for 525, but I got the entire thing in I think in 600 or so. And मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ, मतलब it is like it's very very less though. So yeah, I'm very very happy. I think if my mom, I and my sister, we use this shampoo for I mean a year, ये तब भी ख़त्म नहीं होगा, because it's too much. और shampoo मैं तो बहुत कम लगाती हूँ comparatively than obviously my sister, because she takes at least 2 hours to take a shower. I don't know what she's doing in there. So yeah, so the next thing that I have is my favorite, this nail mucin. I love this. This is the restock, and I just love it. You should buy it no matter what skin type that you have. Trust me, you'll enjoy it. Oh, then I have my favorite CeraVe का moisturizing lotion. So ये this is for people that have very very dry skin, और अभी ठंड हो गई है. निविया का मॉइस्चराइजर भी मेरी बॉडी पे काम नहीं कर रहा है, मेरी स्किन मतलब 2-2 घंटे में ड्राई होने लग गई है. एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई यूज्ड इन UK एज वेल, एंड आई थॉट दैट आई शुड गेट इट. इस पर कुछ इतना क्रेजी डिस्काउंट नहीं था. दिस वाज आई थिंक फॉर 1250, और मुझे ये 1000 रुपये का पड़ा, पर I still just took it because this is going to last me a long time. And then I also got the CeraVe Blemish Control Cleanser. It is oil absorbing, इसमें niacinamide है. It's really really nice. These products are also like recommended by dermats. Usually this is a very good skincare. So if you just want to buy one thing from this haul, this could be one of those things if you want to go a little bit of premium में जाना है अगर आपको तो. Then I got this simple hydrating UV fluid SPF 50. वो सनस्क्रीन लगाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मैं बहुत सनस्क्रीन लगाती हूँ. इससे पहले मैं फे ब्यूटी की सनस्क्रीन लगा रही थी, विच इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. वो ख़त्म हो रही थी, एंड बिकॉज नाउ एज यू कैन सी आई एम गोइंग बैक टू माई ट्रस्टेड स्किन केयर, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू टेक माई स्किन वेरी वेरी सीरियसली, विच आई हैड नॉट बीन डूइंग. मैं करती हूँ फिर नहीं करती, फिर करती हूँ फिर नहीं करती हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा कि कर लेती हूँ. दैट्स वाई. So the next thing that I've got is also one of the cult favorites, और मुझे भी काम किया है. It's the Wish Care Hair Growth Serum Concentrate. So this is really 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 nice. This is for 1000 rupees, but I got it for 600. एंड ये बहुत रेयरली सेल पे होता है, वो भी इतने क्रेजी स्केल पे. और मैं आपको दिखा भी देती हूँ यहाँ पे. वैसे मेरे जो ये मतलब ये छोटे छोटे बाल हैं जो बड़े हो गए हैं पर यहाँ पे से जो बेबी हेयर है ना, ये सब, दिस इज़ ऑल थैंक्स टू विश केयर. मैंने इसको 1 महीने यूज़ किया था, एंड आई कुड सी लाइक विजिबल चेंजेस. Okay, another thing that I've got, and I've also started using this, और ये ना मतलब मुझे नहीं पता why aren't people talking about this. This is the L'Oreal True Matte Super Blend Foundation, and this is so good. एक तो ये मेरी स्किन कलर का है, ठीक है, मैंने पहली बार ऑनलाइन परफेक्ट शेड मैच किया है। एंड दूसरा, आई मीन लुक एट द कंसिस्टेंसी, ये इतना मतलब अगर मैं आपको बता सकती ना तो इट्स सो लाइक क्रीमी, ऐसा लगता है हम क्रीम लगा रहे हैं। एंड इट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू लाइक अ शाइन, मतलब ऐसे ना ये चमकता भी है। और प्लीज़ मेरे हाथ पे मत जज करना कि ये कैसा लग रहा है, बिकॉज माई हैंड्स आर सुपर टैंड। मेरा फेस, हाथ, गला, everything has a different shade right now. I'm very tanned very weirdly, so that's that. And oh, I almost forgot about this. So मैंने ऑर्डर किया था नायका से उनका ऑल डे मैट कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर। आई डू नॉट यूज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट। मैं अपना ट्रस्टी मेबेलिन यूज़ करती हूँ, बट मुझे लगा कि लेट्स गिव इट अ शॉट। एंड ऑल्सो इफ दिस डज नॉट मैच माई स्किन शेड, दिस इज गोइंग टू गो टू माई सिस्टर बिकॉज शी इज़ फेयर देन मी। तो या बिकॉज लॉरियल में तो मुझे पता है, और वैसे भी ना उसमें था आधा अभी भी, पर मैंने ऐसे ही मजे के लिए मंगा लिया। Okay, this is how it looks, and इसे बोलते हैं sand 02, and I think it is quite light on me, so I think this might have to go to my sister. तो अब तो नीचे के मज़े हैं because this is for her now, or I can use it as a brightening setting powder यहाँ पे, and yeah, that's going to be good. But yeah, so there are a bunch of things that I got for free from Nykaa. फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, लॉरियल वालों ने मुझे एक फुल साइज प्रोडक्ट दिया है, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद द प्रोडक्ट दैट दे गिव मी बिकॉज आई वांट टू ट्राई इट। दिस इज द लॉरियल पेरिस एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी स्टीम मास्क। सो बेसिकली एक हेयर मास्क है जिसमें मतलब ये हेयर स्पा है। दिस पैकेट इज हेयर स्पा, ठीक है। मतलब मैं कैसे समझाऊँ, मतलब इसमें एक पहला स्टेप है जिसमें आप अपने बालों को डीपली नरिश कर सकते हैं, रिप्लेनिश कर सकते हैं, एंड देन इसमें एक स्टीम कैप है एंड यू जस्ट वेयर इट एंड इट्स सपोज्ड टू डेवलप एवरीथिंग, और स्टीम जनरेट हो जाएगा। आई रिमेंबर जब ये आया था प्रोडक्ट, आई रियली वांटेड टू ट्राई इट, बट इट वाज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। इट इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। इट्स फॉर 400 रुपीज़, 400 रुपीज़ फॉर अ हेयर मास्क, मतलब फॉर वन टाइम हेयर स्पा हेयर मास्क, जिसका मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि वो कैसे चलेगा। फॉर मी इट इज़ एक्सपेंसिव, तो मैंने सोचा कि लेट्स जस्ट इग्नोर इट। आई रादर हैव लाइक अ हेयर स्पा और हेयर मास्क क्रीम एंड आई कीप इट एट होम एंड जस्ट अप्लाई इट। वो मुझे सही लगता है, या फिर सैलॉन में कभी कभी लेना चाहो, वो मुझे सही लगता है बिकॉज यू जेन्युइनली नो दैट्स गोइंग टू वर्क, राइट। इसका नहीं पता था, बट आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड, आई गॉट इट फॉर फ्री, सो नाउ आई कैन गेट टू ट्राई इट। फिर गार्नियर से मुझे मिला ये ब्राइट complete 3x vitamin C booster serum. This is basically like a small sunscreen and it's very good. I can keep it handy in my bag and just reapply sunscreen. बहुत cute भी दिखता है। फिर Wishcare से I got the multi peptide anti hair fall shampoo. So these are all freebies that I got, right, with the massive amount of purchase I did. From CeraVe I got the moisturizing dream dry to skin lotion and एक छोटू सा hydrating cleanser. So basically both the things that I ordered, I also got them in a mini travel version and I'm so happy. Okay, one more thing that I completely skipped, I don't know how, the L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade Worth It Intense, and it's really nice, trust me. I'll just swatch it. मैं इसको देखो, it's really nice. मैं ना इसको यहाँ पे भी swatch करके दिखाती हूँ आपको। It is very nice. It looks really nice on me. इसका बहुत luxe और satiny finish है. It makes me feel worth it. But it's really nice, huh? Then I also got the Swiss Beauty's 3D Studio Effect eyelashes for free. तो Swiss Beauty ने मुझे अपने eyelashes दिए, which मैं नहीं लगाती हूँ falsies वैसे, but now that I have it, I might try it. And with that, it's the end to my haul. The box is completely emptied. And that's a wrap for my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul video. I hope you liked the video. I hope आपको कुछ suggestions मिले होंगे as to what to pick and what not to pick. If you do buy something from this, do let me know so that I can also know what my girl gang approves and what they don't approve of. Also let me know that if there's any other product that you want me to try, is there any other suggestions that you have for me, so that, you know, like, it's a sharing space ban jayega. And don't forget to like this video, hit the bell icon, and also push on your notification so that every time I get online, we get to connect. And also let me know what all more videos would you want me to do. You want me to do challenge videos, you want me to do more of vlog videos, haul videos, do you also want me to do makeup videos? Pretty much I have only one routine. I can show you that if that's something you're curious about. I definitely can do that for you. And yeah, that's it, and I hope to make more videos for you guys and entertain you guys. Till then, bye bye.